Hello everyone. If you are interested in data entry kind of job and wish to work remotely from home, here is a great opportunity with an international BPO to work from home as a data entry agent. This is 100% remote position and can work from home or anywhere. And so here as a data entry agent, you will be joining the data enrichment team to support the data enrichment tasks for their clients, and you will be held to a high quality of work standard and will be a contributor to the quality control process. About the qualifications, you should have excellent written and verbal communication skills, along with the ability to work 40 hours per week starting immediately. Here, the company has not asked for much of the experience. However, experience in an outbound or inbound call center, inside sales experience, or related sales or customer service experience is a plus. If you already have some experience with the call centers or to work in a BPO or have some sales experience, you will be a preferred candidate. And here you should be able to work independently and you should have supportive work from home setup. You should be able to work independently and have a supportive work from home setup and stable internet connection. Here is about the roles and responsibilities. So here as a data entry agent, you will be responsible for reviewing and completing enrichment tasks as defined and trained by the client. Your primary work will be application data entry, vendor resource verification, board certifications, and following up with various state boards for statuses. And you will be responsible for timely and quality execution of tasks. So this is a simple data entry position, and here you're not required to have a lot of experience. This is a full-time 100% remote position that you can work from home. This is an entry-level position, so if you are a fresher or experienced, you can apply for this job. And here's the application form that you can fill up to start working as a data entry agent. So go ahead, and if you believe that you could be a good fit for this position, apply for the job. Thank you for listening.